The Reshape tool lets you select anchor point and sections of path and adjust them. The Reshape tool works differently from the other transform tool. You will see this why. The Reshape tool is also located in the group of Scale tool. So click and hold to access it. So let's draw a shape to use the Reshape tool on. I will draw a simple rectangle here. Then what I'm going to do is I'll use the direct selection tool to select this anchor point and then select the Reshape tool. Now if you click and drag from this anchor point, you can transform the shape. Notice only this anchor point is moving and not the other three. You can also select multiple anchor point if you wish. Just click on the anchor point that you want to choose using the Reshape tool and now drag. Similarly, I can choose 3 anchor point if I like to reshape the shape. So using the Reshape tool, you can fine tune your vector art by making finer adjustment.